Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone or your iPad so that way you can play games using a controller rather than using your fingers and your thumbs on your screen. So first thing that we want to do is open up settings, and then inside settings here we want to make sure to go to Bluetooth. All right, and this is going to bring up all of our Bluetooth devices, and as of right now we don't see a PS4 Bluetooth device. So we want to take our controller and we want to hold down the PS button along with the share button at the same time. So we can go ahead and select this, or hold both of these down, and eventually we're going to see a flashing light like that. And now we'll notice on our iPhone we have a DualShock 4 wireless controller showing up as a discoverable device. So we can go ahead and select this, and now our PS4 controller is connected and we can go ahead and play games using this controller rather than our touch screen. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.